Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize the Dawn theme for Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard currently, and if I go to the left and click on online store, it's going to take me to the themes page. And as you can see, currently I am using Dawn, which is the default theme for all Shopify stores, and to view it and edit it, you just need to click on customize. Once you do this, as you'll see, you'll open up the website editor where you can just go into the sections view, you can go into the theme settings and go into the app embeds. You can use whatever you want. Here under theme settings, you can go and change the logo, which you need to upload yourself, as well as the desktop logo width and the fav icon image if you have one. You can go to colors and change the color of the theme. So for example, if I change it to this one, it should have a dark theme right now. And you can add schemes if you want to, it really doesn't matter. And you can go to typography and you have all of these other settings. And not to bore you with all these, I'll just go back to sections to show you how you can edit sections. And as you can see, for example, I'll change the footer. I'll go into add section right here under the footer segment. And actually, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go here in the footer and I'm going to add a block. And I can add whatever I want. I can add a menu, brand information, text, or an image. I'll add a menu, and that's going to add the quick links menu, which you can then edit from the actual site. But as you can see, that is pretty much how you make changes and edit your theme. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.